Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Park the trailer on firm, level ground and chock the opposite wheels so nothing shifts. Gather the spare, jack, lug wrench, torque wrench, and wheel key. Using gloves helps grip and protect your hands. Once ready, break the lug nuts loose while the tire still bears weight. Turn each nut 1/2 to 1 full turn so the wheel won't spin. This step prevents the trailer from rotating once lifted and makes removal faster and safer. With nuts loosened, place the jack at the trailer's recommended lift point and raise the trailer until the tire clears the ground by about 1 to 2 inches. That clearance gives you room to swing the wheel. Next, remove the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern to avoid binding and set them in a container so none roll away. Then pull the tire straight off the hub, inspect the studs, bearings, and brake components for damage, and mount the spare so holes align with studs. Once the spare is seated, thread the lug nuts by hand to avoid cross-threading, then lower the trailer until the tire just contacts the ground so it can't spin. Tighten the nuts in a star sequence, then fully lower and torque each nut to the manufacturer's spec. This ensures clamping force is even. Make sure to recheck torque after the first 10 to 20 miles because heat and settling can loosen fasteners. If the wheel wobbles, stop, retorque. Inspect studs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.